Who would have thought desserts cook beautifully outside on your barbecue? Did you know that your pulse can bake an endless range of incredible puddings, crumbles, and cakes? For the very best results, we recommend using the Weberware frying pan. Its depth and heavy-duty design delivers nice, even baking. Of course, it's not just limited to baking, as you can create some amazing sauces, omelettes, and potato bakes as well. Today we're going to bake an amazing carrot cake. Before you start baking, there are a few important steps that you need to take. Firstly, like all Weber barbecues, it's important that you preheat your Weber pulse. Preheating is simple. All you need to do to start your barbecue is connect the front control panel if it isn't already, connect to a power point, and press the on-off button. When preheating, turn the control knobs to high. We'll preheat for 15 to 20 minutes or until the temperature reaches 260 degrees Celsius. It's now time to make our cake batter. Into a large bowl, place the brown sugar, sour cream, oil, eggs, vanilla, orange zest, cinnamon and salt, then beat until well combined. Add the carrots, pineapple and walnuts, then mix well. Then add the flour and stir until combined. Spray a Weberware frying pan with oil and pour in the cake batter. Once your barbecue has preheated, adjust the control knobs to one notch less than medium. The temperature on your pulse will fluctuate slightly, so it's important to resist the temptation to touch the control knobs while cooking. Place the frying pan in the center of the cooking grills, close the lid, and cook the cake for 35 to 45 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. Now that our cake is cooked through, we can remove it from the barbecue and turn it out onto a cooling rack. While the cake is cooling, we can make our icing. Place the cream cheese, icing mixture, orange zest and juice into a bowl and mix until smooth. Spread the icing all over the cake once it's cold, add the walnuts, and we're done. How good does that look? Remember, for the full recipe or for more information, please see your barbecue handbook or visit our website.